The equation of a straight line in its standard form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and b is the intercept on the y-axis. But what does all this mean? Let's consider this straight line y equals m1x plus b1, where m1 is the slope and b1 is the y-intercept. By definition, the slope of the line is the difference in the y-coordinates of 2 points divided by the difference in the x-coordinates, or it's the rate at which the value of y changes relative to x. Let's take 2 points on the straight line A and B. The coordinates of the point A are 1 and 4, and the coordinates of the point B are 3 and 7. So in going from point A to point B, the value of the y-coordinates has changed from 4 to 7, so the change is 3, and the value of the x-coordinate has changed from 1 to 3, and the difference is 2. So the change in y, or delta y, is 7 minus 4, or 3, and the change in x is 2, and by definition, the change in the value of the y-coordinate divided by the change in the value of the x-coordinate is the slope. Now b1 is the intercept that this straight line makes on the y-axis. So it is this distance. Now let's draw another line that is parallel to this, represented by y equal m1x plus b2. I wrote the slope as the same because the two lines are parallel, so their slopes are the same. But I wrote the intercept as being different because this line makes a different intercept on the y-axis. And in this case, the intercept on the y-axis is actually negative. So, when we write the equation of a straight line in its standard form, the coefficient of x is the slope. So let's consider an example of a straight line where 2x equals 3y plus 7. Now this equation is not in the standard form. I need to write it as y equals mx plus c, or in this case 3y plus 7 is 2x. I need to take the plus 7 to the other side, so 3y is 2x minus 7, because in algebra when we take an element from the left side to the right or the right side to the left, the sign changes. This is still not in its standard form, so I just need to have y on the left side, so we need to get rid of the 3, so divide everything by 3. So now we have y equals 2/3 x minus 7/3. Now the equation is in the standard form, and the coefficient of x is 2/3, that is the slope, and the intercept on the y-axis is negative and is given by 7 minus 7/3. So any line that is parallel to a given line has the same slope. So if we were writing the equation of a line that was parallel to this, the slope would be the same, but the intercept would be different. And so the equation would be y equals 2/3 x plus b. And there you have it.